Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay with Venmo online. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application right here, venmo.com if you're not already. So after opening it up on your PC, it's going to look like this. If you're on your mobile phone, what you're going to do is download the Venmo app. So after downloading it, open it up, and now we can get started. First thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and create one. So go ahead and register for an account if you need one. If not, just go ahead and log in normally. So go ahead and log in, and after you are logged in, now we can get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page that looks like this. This is going to be your home page of your Venmo application, from where you can go and access your home settings, your card settings, you can have your account settings, and so on. And now we can get started using it for paying. So basically guys, first we need to do is to top up our balance to be able to pay with Venmo. So what you're going to do is go into the cards section. You do not have to add your own card to top up your balance. You can just have somebody send you money to your Venmo account with the request option right here in the middle of the section bar. But what you can do is connect your bank account or credit card that you want to use for payment. So once you've gotten some money into your Venmo, now we can get started. As you can see right here at the bottom of the page in the middle section, we can access this option right here that says pay, and the with pay section. Now we can get started. So as you can see right here in the official Venmo website, we can take a look at how we can get started paying. So basically, once you open up somebody's Venmo, you can go ahead and select the pay option. You can go ahead and get started using Venmo to pay them. You can pay online, you can pay in person, and so on. All of that is available. So just follow the steps just like I showed you. If you need even more help, you can go to the official website to find the instructions right here. But after creating your account, getting your balance, and selecting the pay option, you'll be able to do it yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.